Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSCB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 history chapter 3 ruling the countryside. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is match the following. The first one is Riot means peasant, Mahal means village, Nij cultivation of planters' own land, Rioti cultivation of Riot's land. Second question is fill in the blanks. Growers of wood in Europe saw indigo as a crop which will provide competition to their earnings. The demand for indigo increased in the late 18th century Britain because of expansion of cotton production. The international demand for indigo was affected by the discovery of synthetic dyes. The Champaran movement was against indigo planters. Describe the main features of permanent settlement. The permanent settlement system was a land revenue system introduced in 1793 by East India Company. Rajas and talukdars were recognized as zamindars to collect rent from the peasants and pay revenue to the company. The main features of the permanent settlement system are the amount paid by the zamindars to the company was fixed permanently. The Rajas were made the Zamindars. Zamindars lost their right over the lands whenever they failed to make payments to the company. Exorbitant prices of land which Zamindars had to pay to the company. Next, how was the Mahalwari system different from the permanent settlement? The difference between the Mahalwari system and permanent settlement. Holt Mackenzie devised it and it came into effect in 1822. Permanent settlement was bought by Lord Cornwallis in 1793. The epicenter of the system was a village. Here there was no such epicenter. Villages are called mahal. Here it is not so. The estimated revenue of each plot within a village was added up to calculate the revenue that each village had to pay. The revenue was fixed that each zamindar had to pay to the company. The revenue was to revise periodically. Here the revenue was fixed. The charge to collect the revenue was on the village headman. Here the charge to collect the revenue was on village zamindar. Give two problems which arose with the new Munro system of fixing revenue. The new Munro system of fixing revenue posed two problems. The revenue demand was fixed by way too high for peasants to pay. Peasants were unable to pay the rent which culminated into villages getting deserted. Next, why were riots reluctant to grow indigo? The riots were reluctant to grow indigo for the following given reasons. They were paid very low prices for it. The riots never saw any profit accruing from the indigo plantation. Riots were asked to grow indigo on the fertile parts of their land by the planters, which they were apprehensive about. Next, what were the circumstances which led to the eventual collapse of indigo production in Bengal? The collapse of indigo production in Bengal was caused by the following circumstances. Riots denied producing the indigo anymore. Protests started taking place by the peasants, riots supported by the zamindars. The following protest, the Indigo Commission was constituted by the government, which accepted the faults of the planters and asked the planters to stop the cultivation. Planters eventually moved out of the city. This was chapter 3 of NCERT solution for class 8 history. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.